Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Friday, June 3rd. Winding down the week here. First week of the month as far as June goes, and it's been a positive month, being up around 2 cents overnight in corn and wheat. We're up around roughly 18 to 6 cents in the soybeans. Once again, the soybean spreads and the meal spreads a feature here, not so much to start off the week, but also the month going forward in here. We got the meal up anywhere from $12 to $5. We've got the soybean oil up around 25 points. So this flux of money coming on in, personally, it's kind of counteractive versus what we think that we're looking at as far as supply and demand tables going forward in here. Because from a week from today, we're going to have the USDA coming out with their supply and demand tables, and we're also going to have at the end of the month quarterly stocks and the acreage numbers, of which we feel that the planting progress and the crop conditions are doing quite well, but the money flow is also coming on the plus side to the marketplace in here to see if we're not going to have any problems going forward. That's the important part, I think, in here. Do you think that we have enough money coming in here that's going to go and say the trigger to say that the supply and demand tables are not all that bullish, and or the crop progress and or conditions are good, that this money flow is going to start to exit? But that's not the case. Once again, the open interest yesterday in the soybeans up 21,000 contracts, up 9,000 in the meal, up 2,000 in the corn. Short covering in the wheat. We're going to have a commitment trades report that's going to come out after the close today. We're going to go and find out that the trade is still a sizable net long, very net long in the soybeans and in the soybean meal. Also along the soybean oil, along the corn, now they're starting to build that position on up because that's been a little bit shallow, but they still have a sizable net short position in the in the soft red winter wheat here in Chicago. So that could be a little bit of a precursor. We're going to have export sales that are going to come out here in around roughly 10 minutes. We're going to go and see if we're doing any export demand business going forward in here, because we are competitive with South America at this point in time. And then we're also going to keep an eye on what's going on in China as far as what their production is going to go going forward in here, because I still think a big crux in here has been the fact that they want to go and sell their grains, and maybe are they not out there trying to go and build up their soybean supply. So once again, positive news as far as money flow goes. Negative news as far as the crop progress at this point in time, as far as the old guys stand. Once again, these are my opinions and not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.